Good morning, everybody. This is Tim Denton, and this is my channel. I basically am a high-volume sales professional at a high-volume dealer. I sit at a desk that faces where all the trucks, the brand new trucks, Lincolns, Fords, everything gets dropped off. I'm going to go over the vehicles with you. This is a 2021 King Ranch F-250. I'm not on here to sell these vehicles, but they are all for sale. I just get to drive them all, touch them, feel them. So I like to share my experience. I take pictures of them, videos. So I'm one of the first people to see the brand newest Fords and Lincolns, Shelbys, Tremors, Raptors, the whole 9 yards. So if you like the channel, please hit like and subscribe. I'll be showing you the newest, hottest stuff. This one came out yesterday, fresh off the truck. It's a 2021 King Ranch F-250 6.7. Window stickers for 84050. I am not a product specialist. I just like taking pictures and making videos of these vehicles. It does have the King Ranch Ultimate Package, fifth wheel hitch prep package as well. It's going to have adaptive cruise control, chrome package, FX4 of course. It's going to have multi-contour seats, which does the butt and back massages. You can see all the King Ranch leather and the King Ranch logos. Panoramic moonroof up there. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, front camera, rear camera. You have the camera for the bed of the truck. It's a really, really good looking truck. A lot of these are two-tone. This is only one-tone. You saw the deployable running boards. It does have heated rear seats as well. It's got a power tailgate. It's a really, really, really good looking truck. Like I said, hit like and subscribe. I'll be posting short videos of all the brand new stuff that comes in. Shelbys, Aviators. There's your fifth wheel prep kit. 6 3/4 inch bed, a standard bed for a Super Duty. It's not the long box. You can see the chrome in the back. King Ranch badging on the back. So it's Tim Denton. I hope y'all liked. Please hit like or subscribe. Plenty more videos to come. Have a great day.